A quick clean to a microwave. Sometimes it's hard to clean the microwave. Things don't want to wipe away real easy. And to get it to smell nice and fresh, let me show you this hack. Uses a wet rag and lemon juice. It doesn't have to be organic. Any lemon juice is fine, about 3 tablespoons probably. Wet your washcloth thoroughly. Do not wring out. If you have to use another towel to carry it to your microwave so it doesn't drip, then do that. Put the wet washcloth in the center of your microwave. You want it to be very wet. We're gonna cook it for 3 minutes. Pour lemon juice generously on your wet rag, about 3 tablespoons maybe. Be very careful removing your wet washcloth. I'm using another towel to pick it up. It's hot. And then you can run it under cool water. I run it under cool water to rinse it. I still want to use the same one with that lemon juice. Take this part out and just wash that in the sink. Then just start wiping and rinsing your rag regularly. But it just wipes away. Look at this. No scrubbing. But it does take quite a bit of rinsing. Everything just wipes away. Even up top. I even polish with the dry rag when I'm all done, just to get any extra debris. It also does the little door, the window. Everything just wiped away. This microwave is probably about 10 years old and it still cleans up very nice. No harsh chemicals.